How can we get value of Boltzmann's constant K is equal to 1.38 into 10 raised power minus 23 joule per Kelvin? Is Boltzmann constant K is equal to gas constant divided by Avogadro numbers. So the value of gas constant is constant and the value of Avogadro constant is also constant. The value of gas constant or universal gas constant is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin divided by the value of Avogadro number, which is also constant, 6.02 into 10 raised power 23 molecules per mole. The value of Boltzmann constant will be when 8.314 is divided by 6.02, then we will get 1.381, and when we will take 10 raised power 23 from denominator to numerator, so it will be 10 raised power minus 23. We can also write units as joule upon mole into Kelvin divided by molecules upon mole. So K will be equal to 1.381 into 10 raised power minus 23 joule upon mole into Kelvin. When we will change division, so the value of denominator will be in numerator and the value of numerator will be in denominator. So it will be mole upon molecules. So mole will be get cancelled with mole. So the unit of Boltzmann constant will be K will be equal to 1.381 into 10 raised power minus 23 joule upon Kelvin into molecules, or we can also write this as K will be equal to 1.38 into 10 raised power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. So this is our required condition for Boltzmann's constant.